Hello everyone and welcome to another video from ForgottenLoot.org. This channel is dedicated to helping individuals get access to information on unclaimed property. In this video series, we're going to look at the state of Kentucky. We're going to check their unclaimed property database to see if we can locate any unclaimed funds that belongs to you, myself, or your friend of yours, or a family member. You can also check for a business, but in this video we're going to look for, I'm going to put my name in to see what comes up. I'm going to put maybe some random names to see if anything shows up under those names. These accounts are live, these accounts are current at the time of shooting this video, and if you watch this video later on, maybe next month, and of course that person may have claimed their unclaimed funds, but in this video we're going to check to see exactly what we can find today. So hold on to your seats, just watch as we unravel unclaimed property in the state of Kentucky for you to see how it's done step by step. So we're going to go right here, and we have a couple of steps, it looks like. So we're going to see exactly how much we will find under my name. So I'm going to put my name in, and I'm going to put my first name. Yep, my first name. And we're going to, I'm not a robot. I'm just going to hit search. And voila, we have some results. And as we can see, I'm going to explain this report to you. This way it's a little much easier. So the first line of this report is the property ID. Alright, the next line that you see here reported by Avaya Inc. So it's a dividend, so somebody had some investments with them. This is the person's name. This is the address, the last known address as Louisville, Kentucky, and this is a zip code, and this is how much it says, $10 to $100. The next one, same 10 to 100, less than 10, less than 10, 10 to 100, over 100 we have here, 10 to 100, over $100. You can see we have a couple. We can see here. Let's hit next. Just have two results. This says tangible property. So this one says over 100, over 100. Tangible. This could be gold. We just don't know. Over 100. So to file a claim, we simply do this. We're just going to click add. Let's do this one here. Add. Because we have a little shopping cart. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to hold it, we're going to hit shopping cart, and we're going to do relationship. What am I to this claimant? Obviously it's me, but it's not really me, so I'm just going to put self. We have a few other choices here, business and personal representative. So self, and we're going to hit continue. I'm not sure why it went up there. Continue. Oh, okay. So we can do two things. We can register. We can register. I'm just going to continue as a guest. But you can register this way. When you come back to check, you'll be able to see, I guess, much faster. But we're going to do as a guest. We're going to do as a guest. I'm not sure why they have that there for you to register. You know, this same information you probably would have gotten, but in any case, everywhere does it differently. So it's asking for social, first name, last name, address, okay, and so on and so forth. So the current address where you live, physical address, you know, asking for PO boxes or foreigners. So if this is someone overseas that saw this video and they moved out the country, or they moved to the country maybe going for a year or two, maybe you've Maybe you again move away, moved out of the country. You've left. You've repatriated. You've gone back to your homeland. And you see this in your name. You can go ahead and claim it. All right. So we can see. Okay, so they're taking $1. They're taking $1 for, I guess, for processing and stuff like that for each claim over over $10. So you'll lose $1 out of it, which is okay. All right, they have to run these sites, even as a government agency. Some don't charge you, but it's the first time I've seen this one here. But in any case, let's proceed with the demonstration. Again, anything with the red asterisk must be filled out. How did you hear about us? Let's see, anything here for, okay. Word of mouth, holder referral, television media, social media, YouTube, social media, acceptance, and hit continue. All right, create claim, and just go to the next. So you have 2 more steps. So we're on this step right now, which is this. Once this is completed, you hit create claim. You're going to go to the next step, I guess, to verify and to get your claim number. It's very important to write down your claim number. This is not your claim number here. They may give you, this is a property of the property ID. So they're going to give you a claim number. This is separate from this number. Write that number down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place. So when you do want to check on the status of a claim, you can use that number to find the information you're looking for. Alright, we're going to start a new claim just to put another name, see if we see anything else interesting pops up. Let's put Oliver. Let's see if we get anything under that name. Oh yeah, we do get some Olivers here. We have a couple, over 100, 10 to 100, over 100, over 100. They're not really telling us, much. They're just giving us, small details. Over 100, over 100, over 100. I guess maybe that's okay. I mean, I would love to see exactly how much is there. It'll be so much better. Over 100. This person has, let's see. This is one person. Scully is also, these are dividends. So this person again had some kind of stocks dividends. Yeah, so you will see here, and they have one. It is a bond. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Already, just by just counting 15 of these, that's $1,500 already, and this is saying over 100. So we can just imagine how much is there. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's more than that. It's about 17 of them. And it's all. Let's click on all of them so we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's $1,700 right there. Actually, I can't count. $700. Yeah, 1,700. Oh God, my math is so bad. Really, $1,700. We can see we get 17 of them. All right, and we don't know if it's. It just says over 100, so it could be 500. Now here, here's the challenge that I think about sometimes. Now each of these claims are going to have their own claim number, so this person have to write down every single one of these and write the claim number for every single one. So let's sit. They're all here. It's actually 18. Is my math that bad? Wow. Oh my God. Is my math that bad? Yeah, it's 18 of them. Wow. So let's look here and we can see. Oh, we had an extra one. So I'm going to remove this one. We had one there before. So this is one person, okay? So if you know this individual, please reach out to them. We can see, and we just self. Maybe I'll send out an email blast to the people who are signed up to my site. You know, maybe they know this individual. I think I'll send this video out to them. Maybe someone on my list will respond to this. Maybe it's them. You never know. But wow, we can see here in a time like this that we were living, where a lot of businesses have closed down, the pandemic. You know, it takes about 2 weeks for this claim to get to the person. So, you know, this will be a wonderful, great news for somebody. And all they have to do is come and claim it. It's here. It's waiting for them. All right. Now, if you know this person, you watch this video, and you from the state of Kentucky, and you from this area, you know, it doesn't give a city. On the other page, it did. We can see there's no city, there's no province, there's no co-owner. It's here. You know, let me go back a bit and see. Let me go back a bit and see what happened. Let's see. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, okay, there was no address posted, so they can't find this person. But this is the person here. I'm sure they had the information. They don't want to put the information here for the whole world to see. Let's see what this is here. Yeah, the address is here, but there's no city, and there's no state listed, and there's no zip code listed. But the address is listed. So this is the last known address where they have of this person. You know, you can see why it's so difficult to reach and to find them. It's very difficult. I'm just amazed at what I'm seeing here. I'm sure you are watching this just to see the sheer number of. There's some good money here. We don't know how much of $100 this is. It could be 500. So there you have it, people. We just find 18 items under one name. No, 17 items under one name. And this person have no clue that this is here for them. So again, this is why I do this, because I know it's here. I know it's available. I know people can come and look. And I'm really trying to help them to get reunited with what's theirs. It's so much the states can do. So they're doing all they can to connect with these people. So this is why I do these videos, because it has benefited me, and I just want to reciprocate the favor, let you guys know. So this person can get their fund back. So again, thanks for watching this video. I hope it did help you. I hope you can share it and let this person know that they have some unclaimed funds here. And I thank you for watching. You know, again, this is why I do this video, and I hope it did help you in some way, and you're able to do exactly like I did. Again, put your first and last name to narrow the searches down. This way you'll be able to make it a much faster claim. All right, thanks for watching, and share this video, like this video, and please join my channel. I post videos all the time, and I do searches like this all the time and post them. So hopefully one of them may be yours. Thanks for watching, and good luck, and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.